We're hearing more harrowing accounts of the van attack for witnesses this morning. One man who lives in the area is being credited with taking action that may have saved lives. He started chasing the van and tried to alert other people as to what was going on. He spoke with CP24's Arda Zakarian.
I had my car parked on Yonge Street northbound and about to make a U-turn to go south, and right away I hear like banging noises on the other side of the street coming, and I see this white van, cargo van, driving on pedestrian walks, sabotaging like mailboxes and post stands, and just going crazy, driving along the sidewalks. And then the next thing I notice is that he has lifted up a fire hydrant from the ground, and then right after he hit a pedestrian, and then I chased him down. I wanted to get his license plate number, and then again, he was going over pedestrian one by one, and then the moment I did, it's the first instinct, I start honking my horn non-stop, continuously. Roll down my window, start shouting, calling police, call police, and then I see him just literally having bodies hit and run over. The body were flew in the air and landed on the ground, and just one by one. It's really sad to see that, but I kept on doing what I did, was just honking horns and making some noises so that people actually can hear the commotion, hear the noises, and maybe stop and look back.
Did you see people become alerted when you were honking the horn?
It was a very quick moment, but now that I look back and it's a flash, I did see people looking to me because the honking was just nonstop. I followed him all the way from Bain down to Empress, so through the Church and Yonge area. I did see at the intersection people are alerted, some people, but very, very sabotaging to think about is that the guy actually, in order to avoid traffic, he drove on the other side of the street of the incoming lane and deliberately hitting a pedestrian that was crossing on the street on the other side.